Hello friends, welcome to our Healthy Gan channel. Today we are discussing about asthma in pregnancy can be a risky if not controlled. But with the right care, both the mother and baby can be stay safe. Many women stop their medicines due to a fear, but uncontrolled asthma can be harmful than the treatment itself. On the occasion of World Asthma Day, our expert gynecologist Dr. Aditi Singhi to explain how asthma affects during pregnancy, what warning sign to watch for, and how to manage it safely. Watch this video to know how to protect yourself and your baby.
Asthma is the chronic inflammatory condition of the lung characterized by constriction of the airways, leading to difficulty in breathing and coughing. Asthma happens because of genetic predisposition or various environmental or developmental factors like exposure of repeated respiratory infections in early phase of life can predispose to asthma. Asthma during pregnancy may become uncontrolled or difficult to manage because of various factors, which includes hormonal or immunological factors on asthma, which increases the chances of exacerbation of asthma during pregnancy. Obesity, that is weight gain during pregnancy, can also predispose the asthmatic attacks. The increasing size of the uterus puts pressure on the lungs and the diaphragm, which again predisposes the asthmatic attacks during pregnancy. And commonly the patients are afraid of taking the regular medicines of asthma, thinking that they may harm the baby. That is because of the safety factors, they avoid taking the medicines. That also causes the exacerbation of asthma during pregnancy. The effect of asthma during pregnancy can be maternal effect or the fetal effect. The maternal effect includes the most commonly the development of high blood pressure, which we call it as preeclampsia. The fetal effect may be growth retardation or reduced birth weight or the preterm delivery or even the stillbirth. So to reduce the chances of exacerbation of asthma during pregnancy, the pregnant ladies should always take the flu shot, that is influenza vaccine, and they also try avoiding the crowded place or the people having the respiratory infections should not come close to the asthmatic patients, or they should wear the mask while going to the crowded place. Or treatment of asthma during pregnancy is same as that in the non-pregnant patients. Usually the medicines are safe, but these should always be taken under the supervision of respiratory medicine specialist and the obstetrician. And these medicines usually involve the inhalers, corticosteroid inhalers and the beta-2 agonists.